Hi Lynn, happy birthday.
Hello Lynn, happy birthday, and
Hope you enjoy your day.
we wish you all the best and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Bye.
Lynn, enjoy your day. All I wish is good health always and thank you for everything. Love you!
Hi, Elena. Nag-Twitter ko. Pakainin mo ako. Ikaw. Back in our high school days, you are the wittiest, the wackiest in the life of our group. And now you are the wealthiest. Thank you for your generosity. I want to congratulate you for turning a year older and still not looking old. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Len. Happy birthday to the best madam in the world. May you enjoy your day today and have a great birthday ever. I really thank God na nakilala kita, Len, and naging best of friends. I will really appreciate those kindness, and you're so good to me. Thank you, my love, and may you enjoy the rest of the day, and love you.
Happy birthday, Len.
Hi.
Hello Lynn, hello Maki, hello Vincent.
On behalf of our family, we would like to greet Elena a happy birthday.
Happy birthday Lynn, 50th na no. Anyway, enjoy your day. Get more blessings and God bless.
God bless.
We miss you
We
guys.
miss you. Bye-bye.
Hi Len, happy birthday! I'm so happy na apil ko o apil ang Chekchi sa imong celebration today. And ang akong wish for you is I wish you all the best because you deserve the best. And I wish that God will give you a long life, peace of mind, and good health always. And thank you for your friendship. Thank you for being such an amazing, loving, caring friend ever since from high school days. Thank you for always taking the time to be with us, imuhang mga Jekchi friends. Every time na mo visit ka sa Butuan, dili ka makalimot to be with us. And you deserve the best in life because you have a good heart and you are a good person. And if na a song na dedicate na ako for you is this: if I only have one friend left, I'd want it to be you because you are really a true friend. I love you and I miss you very, very much.
Hi Elena, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and lots of memories to enjoy. I hope you're having a great time today. And this one is for you.
Happy birthday, golden girl. I wish you happiness, good health, and may the Lord God bless you and your beautiful family abundantly. Ingon sila, 50 is the new 30. Mindset ka na ba? Also, Len, thank you so much for supporting my food business. Suki gid ba per me. Thank you. And enjoy your day and stay beautiful inside and out.
Happy birthday to you, Len. I wish you all the best in life. Kabalo ko, you have a good family, good job. All I wish is your good health. Labi na this age na to, nanata sa katunga sa piso. Wala ko video kay pangit ako background. Hope that this message ako ihatag kanimo makadungag og kalipay sa imong birthday karon, and wish you ako maka uli ka diri sa Philippines and magkita-kita na punta. Salamat sa tanan sa imong friendship nga imong gihatag kanamo. You know, we're always here to nga maghuwat sa imo pag muli ka, and we love you and wish you all the best. Bye.